welcome Pratik. How are you?
All good.
मैं क्या चल रहा है लाइफ में?
बारिश चल रही है, घर पे बैठे हैं, चिल कर रहे हैं, ये चल रहा है लाइफ में।
अरे क्या बात है, क्या बात है, क्या बात है, सही है।
और बताओ, तुम तो
थोड़ा
बड़े
सा
फ्रेश लग रहे हो यार एकदम आज।
थैंक यू सो मच। आज नहाया मैं।
गुड ना,
मैंने
मैं
उस
भी
दिन
जस्ट नहा कर, मतलब आज इंटरव्यू है तो आज थोड़ा नहा लेता हूँ मैं।
आज उस दिन जब मैंने शालीन भाई के साथ किया था इंटरव्यू तो काफी मेरे को रिव्यूज आए थे कि यार थोड़ा सा शादी लग रहा है, थोड़ा सा मेकअप नहीं करता, ये नहीं करता। तो मैंने सोचा एक्चुअली प्रॉब्लम क्या है कि मैं नहाया नहीं। तो यस,
कोर
सो आई
प्रॉब्लम को
काइंड ऑफ
एड्रेस
वेंट
कर लिया।
absolutely. I addressed and I dressed
वेरी
myself
नाइस,
down.
वेरी नाइस।
So that's the thing. So let's begin. Everybody on the live. First of all, मैं आप सबको वेलकम कर रहा हूँ. I am with a very talented. What happened? Why reaction?
नेटवर्क।
अच्छा. Welcome, guys. First of all, I want to say thank you, and I want you guys to meet a very talented director who I have known from a very, very long time. I think 4-5 years we've worked with each other. He was my director in खुशियों की गुल्लक आशी, और हम लोग पहली बार सेट पे मिले, हम लोग की फ्रेंडशिप हुई, and we become very good, very close friends. And we've also worked with each other on Rampampo. He had come as a guest director with me over there, and I'm so glad that he was there for that
I
for
just
that
remembered.
romantic scene.
Yeah,
Yes,
I saw.
and it was fantabulous. So Pratik, I want to ask you, how are you feeling? First of all, coming on my live show.
It's it's so nice to have you on this live and you inviting me. Never expected कि हम लोग वैसे rarely यार मिल नहीं पाते आजकल, so this is
Yes,
a very good way of catching up.
absolutely, absolutely. हम लोग यही बात कर रहे थे कि a lot of actors are doing this. A lot of actors are kind of making interview calls and talking about their work, talking about things. But मेरे को ऐसा feeling होता है कि I think the people who are back of the camera are extremely extremely important, who kind of make the actor, make the person who is there. And when it comes to writers, DOPs, creative department, channel itself, and the main person who is the director, who kind of takes the whole ship, and especially in a daily show. So I want to make this show like that कि हम सब aspects को ले और सबसे बात करें.
Very nice, very good.
So I'm so happy, and I'm so happy that you have come.
I am more than happy, yeah. Anytime.
First of all, there are some few questions which I got for you. तो मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूंगा कि what being a actor's son, मुग्धा जी, being her son and being in this industry and seeing the industry through her, what has been your turn of event? What has been your journey? How did you come into this?
So now my mom's been an actor for good 20-25 years now.
जी.
She's worked with your sister also.
Yes.
Yes. तो बचपन से the idea was कि जैसे जो typical notion होता है सबका कि an actor's son will eventually become an actor, and that
Right.
was the original plan. But
दिखते भी
before
एक्टर,
that
मैंने
it
बोला
was
था सबको.
तो वही original plan था. But
हाँ.
before that it was always important to learn the tricks of the trade, to be
Correct.
on the set, to understand how it works, understand how it functions. So usually जितने एक्टर आते भी हैं जो थोड़े से लिंक से आते हैं, they usually do this. पहले सेट पे थोड़े से एज एन एडी काम करते हैं. So similarly I took the same route. I started being an intern on a show during my summer vacations college का. Then once I finished my college, then I again started assisting on a show called Lagi Tujhse Lagan on Colors. That was my first show as an assistant director.
Right.
But then the entire process of making a film or a series or a show, an episode, a scene by itself was so engaging that I started inclining towards it. And then यार भगवान की दया से ना मैं बहुत जल्दी डायरेक्टर बन गया. So then there was no looking back. Usually people take 3-4 years as an assistant and then become a director or whatever.
Right.
I became a director in the first 10 months
Hmm.
From the time of my joining to starting direction independently, it was a span of around a year or a year and a half. That's it.
Okay.
Once I
Okay.
started directing, then there was no turning back. यार अब वापस कौन जाके acting करेगा? तो direction को direction.
Right. Oh. So tell me one epiphany which happened. एक चीज जो आपको ऐसा लगा कि या एक वो होता ना कि कभी कभी आप कुछ कर रहे हो and then you obviously you said कि मैं आया था obviously learn करने के लिए to learn the trade of the business, to learn things, and obviously acting was at the back of your mind. But what was that one thing which kind of hit you and you went like, dude, this is my calling?
Yeah, very frankly, I'll tell you, being having an actor in the house, I always used to see the, how do I put it, the uncertainty of the profession.
Correct.
Sometimes you have work, sometimes you don't have work. That's not the case with people behind the camera. Actors के लिए क्या होता है, एक show खत्म हो गया, to get that next show, because they've been exposed so much, they will take some time.
Right.
That's not the case with actors. So that was one practical way of approaching the profession. Secondly, the entire process was so good. I thought, I get to dictate the terms rather than listening to someone. And then the entire creative juices ka flow started, and I thought, this is a much better way of approaching this industry. And
Right.
frankly speaking, once I started directing, I actually didn't have much time. I started getting work back to back, and then I kept on directing, and then there was no thought. I thought they are fantastic. I don't need to go for audition. I hate auditioning and all that. I don't need to go for audition. I've been a child actor. So,
Right. So what tell the audience what?
Arey, yeah, there was this
अरे नहीं
Zee TV ka
बताओ.
show which never saw the light of the day, and then I did a couple of ads and everything, but I was really small at that time.
अच्छा, okay.
I was not a very successful child actor like my friend Abhishek Sharma. But yeah, hence I
yeah.
became a director, not an actor. So that was the whole idea. Yeah. So and then I started enjoying the process. It was very good to make something. You know what gave me the biggest high? Going on the set, you have 50 people saying good morning sir, and then giving you a script, and me telling the cameraman कि यार आज यहाँ से ये shot हम लगाएंगे, and then everyone following that. That was the
Right.
biggest high. No drug can give a bigger high than that for me.
I know. Correct. Truly understand. But so now, how is the take? Like, घर पे कैसा take है? Being an actor, mommy being an actor, and beta being a son. So who's dictating the terms out there now?
No, yeah, the घर पे तो it's obviously my mother who is the head. She will always be. One very good moment in life for me was when my mom was doing a show and I was the director on that show. So
अरे वाओ.
तो मैं तो बचपन की शुरुआत थी मेरी, तो तभी तो मैं तो स्क्रीनशॉट लेके रखे थे कि जब टाइटल मोन्टाज आता है, तो ऐसा एक एपिसोड में एक ऐसा टाइमिंग आया कि मेरी मॉम का फेस और नीचे लिखा होता है डायरेक्टेड बाय प्रतीक शाह.
अरे that is so
moment
cool.
you need to capture and keep it for life. So I still have that.
Absolutely, yeah, absolutely. That is so sweet. Wow. Very nice. Okay, chalo. Getting back to your achievement, you won Best Director. How was that feeling? Please talk about the show and something back of the show and how you kind of processed it going there.
So now today is a very fantastic day to talk about it, because it's just the show that I won the award for was Bahu Begum on Colors.
Yes.
And आज इस show को 1 साल हो गया है exactly.
Whoa! Wow.
Last year we had launched.
Okay.
And I don't know, suddenly I was shooting on the set. One day I get a call from my producer and my creative director कि यार nomination मिल गया यार ITA में and all of that. I checked, there were many nominations. मैंने बोला I think सभी को nominate कर दिया होगा. Then I got a shortlisted message, you're amongst the top 4. Good. I mean, there were shows which were, now to be very frank, Bahu Begum was a very, very appreciated show, but didn't rate much on the charts. And television is all about ratings. It didn't rate much. True. So I personally never expected to be in that race, because the norm of the industry is such that only popular and highly rated shows are being mentioned or being given the due credit. Correct. But luckily for us, the show looked very good. and the show had a very nice feel to it. And then just I was having lunch at a restaurant with a friend, and I get a message from ITA saying that I have won, and I couldn't believe it. I read it twice, thrice. I called a couple of my friends who were also nominated.
Okay.
Vikram,
Okay.
you know him.
अच्छा
He
जी,
was
हाँ,
also-
okay.
Yeah.
Right.
So I asked him, did you get any message? He said, नहीं, मुझे तो कोई message नहीं आया. I hung up. I said, I definitely won now. No one else has got that message to me for sure. And I
Correct.
sent that message to my sister, my mom, and none of us could believe it. And a month later was the event. It was in Indore.
Okay.
For the first time, ITA was in Indore. And I took my mom along.
Mm.
And it was a surreal moment. Yeah, I never imagined winning an award like for television.
Wow.
You never think that way, but it was amazing.
Right.
And for a show which was appreciated but not very popular on the charts, for me, my age and my experience, there were people who've done 30,000 shows who were nominated along with me. People who I've assisted were in the same category of the Best Director nomination. So it was unbelievable. So even when I went on the stage,
Must be a very proud moment for them also.
Yeah,
Seeing
for
you
everyone.
grow.
Yeah, so
Wow.
producers and directors who I've started with were really happy seeing me up there because everyone believed in me. But an award
Right.
is something that is a validation of success. So I believe there are some people who say award में क्या है, मैं नहीं मानता award में. हाँ, ठीक है, but it's a certain validation of success that people have taken notice of your work. That is a very good thing.
Absolutely, absolutely. So what would you say? What would Prateek Shah say as a director for maybe aspiring directors, or maybe just for a knowledge, maybe for me? What would you kind of say? Ke, are you trying to change the norm of direction in TV because of the thinking aspect? कि यार television तो ऐसा ही है, but
See, there are certain things that will never change in TV because that is what people want to watch.
right.
Every time someone's tried to serve them a totally different cuisine, it didn't suit the palate of the Indian audience.
Correct.
Something like a 24 came in, something like a Pukar came in. I love those shows, but Yash Raj had amazing lineup of shows on Sony TV. No one really watched
Right.
it, but you know what people did watch. So
Yeah.
eventually, it is a business. What you can actually do is, since the subjects are more or less similar, you just try and present it in a different way, so that it is at least the appearance of it is fresh.
Right.
Secondly, there have been people who've been directing for 15, 20 years now. So after a point in time, things start to look stale. The key here is to reinvent yourself, present your product in a different format. The language of filmmaking should change. Automatically, there will be a freshness to it. Now, when I won the award, the first thing I said was thank you for accepting the new face and the new phase of Indian television. I mean, people should start believing in the new approach and start trusting in new talent. So I was really happy when someone appreciated a new talent.
Right.
To give a objective look. And for example, you know, जैसे फिल्मों में होता है यार, रोमांस करना है तो करण जौहरी करेगा, एक्शन करना है तो रोहित शेट्टी करेगा, वैसे टीवी में भी कॉमेडी करना है तो ये डायरेक्टर बेस्ट है, ये करना है तो ये डायरेक्टर. But that has to change because there are so many new upcoming people who have so much to give and they have so much talent and creativity on their platter. So if you currently see it, if you see today, I think 80% of television shows have young and new upcoming directors, and that's why I think it's a very good time to be in TV.